Со скршена кичма толку можем, за повеќе здрави. Значи, независно се е во состојбата на мозок. Независно што се случува. Може и кичмата да ви е скршена, и една, само половина од пршина да го имате, ако вие сте убедени дека може нешто да направите, ќе направите.
Господе, послушај го плачот на мајка Македонија. За прв пат од среќа плаче кога виде дека ние се враќаме. Доволни беа солзи, мајко, за нас оставени и изгубени, по сите меридијани, границата на империјата, под Химелаите да ја чуваме. Благословени да сте, браќа и сестри македонци. Дојдете сега, царот ве вика да се прегрнеме, да се обединиме и да извикаме вечна е Македонија.
Young and talented youth of Macedonia, our elder people, we all love you. And we are proud of you. Because a nation who has so much nationality in their hearts, that always gets success. Well, we feel very proud to call ourselves the descendant of Alexander the Great, because thousands of years, more than 2,000 years, Alexander the Great went to our areas, and his people later on refused to come back and settle in those areas, and some of his top leaders. So we, our family, is considered to be the direct descendants of Alexander the Great, and we, who are living in that part, we consider ourselves a very privileged society, or we feel very proud race among other people. We are here from at least last 1 week in your country, our country, and we have visited various villages, towns, municipalities, mayors, and all the most important people, the church people, the Prime Minister, and other citizens. And wherever we went, we received a very affectionate feeling. And we feel that we are your part and you are with us, and there is no difference between we and you people.
Hello, I'm from Kailash Valley. So, hello to Macedonian people. I'm same family from Macedonians. We have different explanations, but I think in my research, so when Alexander came in this area, so he divided his army in two parts. The Alexander the Great, he came by Khyber Pass, not by this valley. So he's one of the journal. He took the army, the second part of army, and he came from this way, Lavari Pass. So here is the Kailashian people, we call Kailashian people. So they're also from Macedonian. So how they live here? How they start to live here? So that is a very important question. So at that time, so it is a very long way from Macedonia to here. It took 8 years. So some people are sick, some people have an injury. So who have an injury, who have a sickness? So in our explanation, they start to live here. They cannot go with Alexander the Great. So they stop the Alexander the Great and they start to live here in this valley. So they are still like that time, you know, their culture, their tradition. It's same like that about 326 BC. So people said they are same like that time, living like that time. But Kailashian and the Hunza people, they are totally different from the part of Pakistan. You know. The language, history, and culture is totally, living life is totally different. So they are not from here, Hunza people and the Kailashian people. They are of course from Macedonia. Actually, just I know, you know, we are from Macedonia in Hunza. The history, you know, it's become father to son and son to son, son to son, son to son. Nobody write a book or some explanation. So this is the true explanation, I think. And later, you know, in that time in the Hunza also there is no education. But the people say we are from Macedonia. We are from Macedonia.
Преку ноќта имаше Павле видение. Стоеше пред него еден човек, македонец, кој го молеше и му велеше: дојди во Македонија и помогни ни. По тоа видение, веднаш посакавме да тргнеме за Македонија, бидејќи разбравме дека Господ не повикал таму да го проповедаме Евангелието. Кога заминував од светов, си велев: имам тајна дадена на чување. Морам да му ја кажам на древниот народ македонски. Ке појдам во Македонија и аманетот ке го исполнам. Ке отворам гробницата на царот македонски, ке им кажам за водата и тогаш светот ке дојде во Македонија на поклонение, да научи да го користи најсилното оружје – љубовта. Разбуди се, победи го злото со љубов. Секогаш има некој кој многу те сака и со љубов чека да те прегрне. Твојата Македонија.